All right, kids, Mr. Houghton here, ready to show you how to do the lightsaber tutorial. We're going to do this in little bits. So the first thing we're going to do is set up the project. So we open up After Effects, go to File, go to New, choose New Project. And then from there, go to Composition, choose New Composition. And we'll call this Lightsaber. Now, the settings here should be the same as your project, so or the video that we're going to put in. So make the width 1920 and the height 1080. Height 1080. Background color doesn't matter, and all this other stuff doesn't matter. You can just leave it the way it is, and then click OK. So now I have a bright green background. You may have something different. It doesn't matter. The next thing we need to do is import materials into the project. So right-click in your project folder or your window, go to Import and File, and I have provided you Mini Lightsaber Edited Footage version 2. That's the one you want. Click on it and choose Import. Once that's successfully in your project window, just click on it and drag it down to your composition window. And you will see the video showing up on your screen. Now, it's too big in my case, so all I have to do is click on over here where it says 200% and just click on Fit. And now, whatever footage you have, at whatever size it is, it will fit in your preview screen. Click on the composition window and then hit the space bar to play it. And you'll see it's some wacky stuff that I put together for the project. Now, the stuff that you need to concern yourself with actually doesn't happen until here. Now, if you notice the playback here is choppy, that's because it's the first time it's being played, and this happens a lot in After Effects. After Effects kind of has to get used to the video and its format and all that kind of stuff. And once you see this green line here, this means that After Effects is made nice with the video and will play it at its regular speed. And so I'm going to play it again just so you can see what it's like at regular speed. There's no sound yet, so don't expect to hear anything. And then I'm waving a pencil around like a maniac, but we're going to make that look a little less insane by making it look like a lightsaber. So there you go. That's the footage that we're going to use for this project. Now, the next thing we need to do for the setup is to create what is called a solid. If you go to Layer and choose New and choose Solid, you will get this dialog box here. Call it, actually, now I think about it, Lightsaber. I can't spell, L-I-G-H-T-S-A-B-E-R, material. And the width and the height should be set to what the project is at. If it's not, just click on Make Comp Size right here and make sure the color is absolute white. So click on the color picker just to be sure and drag the color picker circle all the way up to the upper right-hand side so that all the RGB values are 255, which makes it white, or your hex value is all Fs. Same thing. Click OK and click OK again. Now, we can't see any of the work that I have for you to edit. Yay! But that's supposed to happen. Now, what this is the material that actually will create the glowing lightsaber. We're just going to cut it to fit the video. But that's your setup right now. The next video will show you how to actually make the lightsaber. Have fun!